Welcome to the captivating shores of Cyprus, where the EDRO III shipwreck rests near the sea caves in the Paphos region. This vessel, built in 1966 in Norway, met its fate on October 8, 2011, when it ran aground during a voyage from Limassol to Rhodes, carrying a cargo of plasterboard. Caught in heavy seas, the ship's 9 crew members, 7 Albanians and 2 Egyptians, were safely rescued by a British military helicopter. The EDRO III weighs between 2,300 and 2,500 tons. It lies on the sea rocks at an 11 to 12 degree angle near the picturesque sea caves area. In October 2013, efforts were made to remove all diesel, hydrocarbons, and marine pollutants from the vessel, ensuring the surrounding waters remained pristine. Despite several studies and attempts to tow the shipwreck, the challenging nature of the project has left the EDRO III as a permanent fixture of the landscape, with no current plans for its removal. For those eager egging sight, the shipwreck is easily accessible. Located near Peyia, it's a short drive from Paphos. Visitors can park nearby and take a brief walk to the shore, where the EDRO III stands as a testament to maritime history. The surrounding area offers stunning sea caves and clear waters, making it a popular spot for photography and exploration. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Cyprus's hidden gems. If this journey intrigued you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures into the world's most fascinating places. Until next time, keep discovering the stories that lie just beneath the surface.